Students, in the previous class we discussed about the what is sequence and the series also, okay, and also we discussed one example, okay, and in this class we discussed few more examples, okay. We discussed in the last class the first example, okay. This is the second example, example number 2. What is the 20th term? What is the 20th term? 20th term. What is the 20th term of the sequence? Defined by, okay, there is a 20th term of the sequence defined by an equals to n minus 1, 2 minus n, 3 plus n. Question. Okay, they ask 20th term here. Okay, the given an equals to n minus 1, 2 minus n and 3 plus n. Okay, just we have to substitute wherever n is there, we have to substitute here 20. Okay, solution. Given that an equals to n minus 1, 2 minus n and 3 plus n is there. Okay, so a20 we have to find here 20th term, that is a20 equals to 20 minus 1, 2 minus 20, n is there, n equals to 20, 3 plus 20. Okay, here 20 minus 1, that is 19, into 2 minus 20, that is minus 18. Okay, and 3 plus 20, that is 23. We have to multiply this 19 into minus 18 into 23. Okay, a20 is equals to, okay, let us multiply. Simply I will multiply here. So some students knows multiplication, some students also didn't know that multiplication. Some students, okay, here 19 into 18, okay, minus 18, 8 nines are 72, 8 on side, 8 plus 7 is 15, okay, 1 nines are 9, 1 nines are 1, okay, total 2 plus 9 is 14 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 342, okay. Here a20 is equals to 19 into minus 18 is minus 342 is there into 23, okay. Again we have to multiply 342 into 23, minus 342 into 23, okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, okay, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10 and 2 3s are 4, okay, n2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, okay, 6 2 4 also 6, 0 plus 8 is 8 and 1 plus 6 is 7, okay. This is minus 7 because minus is there. a20 is equals to minus 7866 is the answer, okay. This is the 20th term of the given sequence, okay. Next one, second example. So next example, example number 3. Let the sequence an defined as follows, defined as follows. that is a1 equals to 1, already given that one a1. an equals to, the general term is an equals to an minus 1 plus 2. An minus 1 plus 2 for n is greater than or equals to 2. Okay, find first 5 terms. Find first 5 terms of the sequence. First 5 terms and corresponding series. Corresponding series. Corresponding series. Okay. Solution. Given that a1 equals to 1, the given first term, okay, and nth term, that is general term, an equals to an minus 1 plus 2, okay, that is for n is greater than or equals to 2, because already the given a1 equals to 1. Therefore, we have to substitute n equals to 2 and more than 2 here. Okay, solution. Let us start the solution is again n equals to 2, a2 equals to, okay, a2 equals to a2 minus 1 plus 2, a2 minus 1 plus 2, a2 minus 1 is a1 plus 2, a1 is already you know that one, a1 equals to 1, that is 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. Okay, first term is 1 and second term is 3, and a3 minus 1 plus 2 is there equals to a3 minus 1 is a2 plus 2, which is equals to, wait, a2 is already you got here, a2 equals to 3, that is 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5, which is equals to 5. Okay, next continue, I will continue here. Okay, so student, pause the video and note down this one. Okay, okay student, a3 equals to 5 you got. Okay, next one, a4 is what? a4 equals to a4 minus 1 plus 2. Okay, a4 minus 1 is plus 2 and a4 minus 1 is 3, a3 plus 2 is this. Okay, a3 is what? 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Okay, next one, a5 equals to a5 minus 1 plus 2, which is equals to a5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, a4 plus 2, a4 is what? That is 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Okay, these are the 5 terms. Okay, 5 terms of the sequence are, first one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the terms of the first 5 terms of the sequence. Okay, and also they ask to find the corresponding series. Okay, corresponding series, that is, what is the series? What is series? a1, a2, a3 so on up to an is a sequence, and then the expression is a1 plus a2 plus a3 so on up to plus an is a series. Okay, here a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5. Okay, just replace comma by plus. Okay, so the corresponding series of the sequence is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay. Next we will get next questions, next answer, then it is so on. They asked to find 5 times. Okay. So this is the solution of the third example. Okay. Next we'll take some example from the exercise. Okay. In this class we will start that exercise 9.1. Okay. Let us start the exercise. Exercise 9.1. Right. Exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. Okay. What is the question here? Write the first 5 terms of each of the sequences in exercise 1 to 6 whose nth term are given. 1 to 6 questions. Okay. ಒಂದರಿಂದ 6th questions ಇಂದವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, an equals to n into n plus n into n plus. Okay. First 5 terms and find ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, we have to substitute n equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Here a1 equals solution, a1 equals to 1 into 1 plus 2, that's equals to 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3, it is equals to 3. A2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 2, 2 into 4 is 8. A3, that is 3 into 3 plus 2 is equals to 3 into 5, which is 15. Okay. Because here ಎಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Fourth term, that is 4. A4 equals to 4 into 4 plus 2 is equals to 4 into 4 plus 2 is 6 equals to 24. Okay. Fifth term, A5 equals to 5 into 5 plus 2 is equals to 5 into 7, that is equals to 35. Okay. Here the first time 5 terms are 5 terms are 3, 8, 15, 24, 35 are the first 5 terms. Okay. And next question, an equals to n by n plus 1. Okay. Solution, here in term the given an equals to n by n plus 1. First 5 terms ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. A1 first term, put n equals to 1 here, 1 by 1 plus 1 which is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. A2 equals to n by n plus 1, that is 2 by 2 plus 1 equals to 2 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Third question, so third term is 3 by 3 plus 1 equals to 3 by 3 plus 1 is 4. A4, that is fourth term, 4 by 4 plus 1, 4 by 5. Fifth term, 5 by 5 plus 1, which is equals to 5 by 6. Okay. So the 5 terms are 1 by 2, comma 2 by 3, comma 3 by 4, comma 4 by 5, and 5 by 6. These are the 5 terms of the second sequence. Okay. Next one, third question. I'll write here only. An equals to 2 to the power of n. Okay. An equals to 2 to the power of n. Solution. A1 equals to 2 to the power of 1, which is equals to 2. Okay. A2 equals to 2 to the power of 2. Put n equals to 2 here. 2 to the power of 2 square is 4. 2 into 2. Not 2 into 2. 2 times. Okay. A3 equals to 2 to the power of 3. That is not 6. 2 into 3 is not. Okay. That is not. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times multiplication of 2. Okay. That is 8. Okay. Next to A4. That is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means is 2. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Okay. And 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Okay. 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. And the fifth term, that is 2 to the power of 5, that is equals to one more 2. We have to multiply. 16. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 4 terms. Okay, that is next to into 2. 4 terms is like to 16 ಆಯ್ತು. Next another 2. That is 16 into 2. That is 32. These are the 5 terms of the sequence. That is a to the power of 2n. Okay. I'm right here. That is okay. The 5 terms of this sequence is 2, 2, 4, 8, 60 and 30 are the 5 terms of this sequence. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Next one, a equals to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Okay. Fourth question, 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Okay. 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Here also we have to find the 5 terms. Okay. Put n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Same process. Solution. A1 equals to, okay, given that an equals to 2n minus 3 divided by 6 is there. Okay. A1, put n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A1 equals to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6. Then we get 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3 divided by 6, which is equals to 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 6. Okay. Next, second term, A2 equals to 2n minus 3. Put n equals to 2 here, 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 minus 3 divided by 6. That is equals to 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 6. Okay. Third one, 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 6. Okay. 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 divided by 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 6. Okay, divide ಆಗ್ತದ ಈ ಕಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಕಡ್ತಾ 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1 ಲೆ 2 1 by 2. Okay, next to if a4 equals to 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 by 6, which is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 by 6. And fifth term is 2 into 5 minus 3 divided by 6, which is equals to 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3 by 6, which is equals to 7 by 6. Okay, these are the 5 terms. So therefore the 5 terms of the given sequence an equals to 2n minus 3 by 6 are, first one is minus 1 by 6 comma 1 by 6 comma 1 by 2 comma 5 by 6 comma 7 by 6. These are the 5 terms of the sequences. Okay, these are the 4 examples I saw here. Okay, next 5th and 6th try yourself. Okay, in the next class remaining questions will solve. Okay, thank you.